This video is going to be how to draw an eagle using lines and shapes. So go ahead and get your sketchbook or your quarter sheet of paper and your pencil and eraser and follow my directions. I'm going to be using a marker, but you will be using a pencil, so if you draw light and you make a mistake, the lines will go away. So the first shape that you're going to do is you're going to draw a letter O right in the middle of the paper, just like that. Okay. Next step we're going to do is put your pencil behind this letter O and you're going to do a letter C, just like that. Next step, put your pencil up here at the top of the letter O and make a backwards letter C, just like that. Make sure you pause the video if I'm going too fast, but try to keep up. Alright, so next step, you're going to put your pencil in the middle of this backwards letter C, and we're going to make an arch going this way to the right of the paper. Right here, go out, make an arch, go down, just like that. Alright, next step, put your pencil at the bottom of this letter C, and we're going to make an arch going to the left, under the eye, just like that. Alright, next step, we're going to close this beak, so we're going to go towards the left and we're going to make an arch going up and back down. So put your pencil at the tip of the beak, go up and down and connect to that line just like that. Alright, we're going to make some feathers now. So we're going to put your pencil up here at the top of the beak and we're going to go to the left. Right here, make an arch and go to the left. And then go in, and we're going to make some zigzag lines, go out, back in, go down, back in, and then one more out. Okay, next step, put your pencil right here, and we're going to make a half of like the letter C. We're going to go in just like this. Okay, next step, we're going to make a line that is going to go straight across under this beak, straight across, just like that. Alright, put your pencil in the middle of this line, and we're going to make a letter C going to the right, just like this. There's your letter C, and now we're going to make some zigzag lines, and we're going to connect this point to this point. The way you make zigzag lines, you just make letter V's or M's or W's. So start here, go in, down, back in, so you see they look like V's or W's or M's. Make some long ones, some short ones, and then connect to this point here. Next step, we're going to make some more zigzag lines under, but you got to make a diagonal line first to go out, and then go in, out, in, W's, V's, or M's, and then close on this end of the zigzag line. Alright, last two steps. Make a diamond right there in the beak, and a small letter O for the pupil, and there is your eagle. So get your crayons or your color pencils and have fun coloring. Please subscribe to my channel and look for more videos on how to draw using lines and shapes.